Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webroot SecureAnywhere detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of Webroot SecureAnywhere, ensure you are connected to the internet. Visit the official Webroot website to download the installer. Locate the download button on the website and click it to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder or the designated location where you saved the file. Double-click the Webroot installer file to initiate the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. After a few moments, the Webroot installation window will appear. You will need to enter your key code during the installation. If you already have a key code, input it in the designated field. If you are a new user, you can choose to purchase a subscription on the Webroot website. After entering the key code, click Next to proceed. Webroot will begin the installation process. This may take a few minutes, and you will see a progress indicator on the screen. Once the installation is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Click Finish to exit the installer. Webroot SecureAnywhere will automatically start and perform an initial scan of your system. This scan ensures your device is secure before you begin using it. After the initial scan, you are ready to start using Webroot SecureAnywhere. You can access the program from your desktop shortcut or system tray. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the various features available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.